Quick 3D tutorials. Today's video we're going to talking about the duplicate special. The first things we can use this tool to is if we want to repeat something more in one time and place it in different direction. And the second way we're going to use this is also how we can modeling a face, car or whatever it is in real time in symmetric way. So by first I'm going to just start by this object. The important thing, you just freeze transformation so everything is nice and clean. Now the thing I will do actually, I want to repeat this. First of all, I press Ctrl D for duplicate. You will also find it here and move it whatever I like. So let's see something like this. Okay, that is this position. I want to repeat it more in 10 times or 100 or whatever number it is. And here is the value we need to type in duplicate special, which is Y and Z. There are a way, if you want to make it very fast, you can, or remember this number, you can just print the screen, go to the paint and Ctrl V, so you have this number. So now we need to delete this one. We selecting the object, we go to the edit and duplicate the special option box, reset the tool, and now I want to have a copy and I want to have, let's see, 10 copy of it. But before I press this, I need to have the position we get from the duplicate to say to the Maya or duplicate special to do this. So I just type this in. So remember, when you type in get, the first one is X, second one is Y, and last one is Z. Of course, if you have rotation and scale, you can also use this too. So duplicate the special. So what we get, this one has been repeating from the value we have give, and the same thing we can do for the second. So that is the first way to do using a duplicate special. The next one we are looking to is if I want to modeling this box in symmetric. That could be face or car or whatever thing it is. So the important thing is actually this one need have the middle loops, and this one need to be exactly positioned there. Okay, so if you have like this object, you can put it just right there. And now we need to actually go ahead and place the edge loop to the 0 position. So to do this, we go to edge, double click, we'll select all the loop, go to this absolute, and in the X0, as you can see, that has been moving. The next things we're going to do is the pivot point is also very important to have it there. So we press D, same things, type 0. And here we have it. So when we're going to duplicate a special, we need to go to reset the tool. We're going to, instead of the copy, we choose this, and we want to have 1, and that is the X. We're going to give it negative of 1 and press duplicate special. Before I just show you this, it is also a good idea, sometimes you will select only the vertex from this side, don't want this side, so it is good you putting this object to the new layer and put it to the R. So in this case I cannot select this one, so it is easier for me, go to modeling and start modeling my model. Of course, the thing you need to know, if you move the object, it will not work. So if you want to move something, it is important only use the selection of the vertex or faces to move the object. But all the other, like extruding and like cutting, it will work. So as you can see. The other thing, if you have another, let's say you have creating another cube there, in any time you going to select these and go to shift and go to the combine, you will actually losing all your symmetric. So you need to repeat the same things. And sometimes you think, okay, I'm going just with the same setting, and duplicate the special will not work because the object, the pivot is not right. So if I just do this, you can see it is not the right direction. So remember, anytime press D, go to the X to be 0, and then you can use duplicate the special again and continue you working on it. So that is a very quick tip how you can use the duplicate special, where it is more for symmetricing object when we modeling, and we're going to use it also for repeating some of the object. And thanks for